In this video, I'll break down my top 5 lawnmowers, my experiences, and which lawnmowers I found to be the best. If you're wanting to check prices of each lawnmower, check out the links in the description, as I've linked to each of the products mentioned.
At number 1, we have the Worx WG779. The Worx 40V14's cordless lawnmower is designed for small yards up to 1/8 acre, powered by two 20V 4.0 AH PowerShare batteries that also work with over 140 Worx tools, ensuring versatile power use and fast charging with the included dual charger. Featuring patented IntelliCut sensor technology, it automatically adjusts cutting speed to efficiently handle dense or light grass, conserving battery life. Weighing just under 30 tons, its lightweight and compact 14-inch deck enables easy maneuverability, including in tight spaces, while the fully collapsible handle simplifies storage and transport. A single lever allows quick adjustment of cutting height between 1.5 and 3.5. And the mower offers 2-in-1 mulching and bagging options with a 0.85 bushel collection bag and mulch plug, plus a full bag indicator for timely emptying. Operating quietly at 87.8 decibels, it provides a peaceful mowing experience, and an onboard charge level indicator lets you monitor battery status for optimal use. At number 2, we have the Greenworks 25522. The Greenworks 40V21 push mower features a durable 21-inch steel deck and a powerful brushless motor for quiet operation, increased torque, and longer motor life. Powered by a 5.0A battery, it offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, with a dual battery port designed to easily swap or store batteries. The mower includes a 3-in-1 cutting system allowing mulching, rear bagging, or side discharge of grass clippings, and supports vertical storage to save space. A convenient 7-position single-lever height adjustment enables quick, precise cutting height changes. Additional features include a push handle and turbo button for efficient operation, and the mower comes with a 3-year warranty, making it a reliable, eco-friendly choice for lawn maintenance. At number 3, we have the Ego Power Plus LM2135SP. The Ego Power Plus LM2135SP 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower kit includes a cordless mower with a select-cut multi-blade system featuring 3 interchangeable lower blades, mulching, high-lift bagging, and extended runtime, plus an upper blade for enhanced cutting performance. It comes with a 7.5 Ah arc lithium battery, offering up to 60 minutes runtime, a 5.0 arc lithium battery for extended runtime, a 550 W rapid charger, mulching plug, mulching blade, high-lift bagging blade, extended runtime blade, upper blade, grass bag with frame, and side discharge chute. The mower features Ego's touch drive self-propelled technology with variable speed control at your fingertips, 8 adjustable cutting heights from 1 to 4 inches, and 3-in-1 functionality for mulching, bagging, or side discharge. Bright LED lights provide visibility in low light, and the mower folds for compact storage. The kit includes a 5-year tool warranty and 3-year battery warranty and is compatible with all Ego 56V arc lie. At number 4, we have the LawnMaster 20 VMWGT. The LawnMaster 20 VMWGT is a 24V max cordless lawn care combo featuring a 13-inch lawnmower and a 10-inch grass trimmer, both powered by 2 4.0 lithium-ion batteries and a charger. The mower delivers 3,700 RPM with a 12-inch cutting width adjustable through 5 height settings from 1 to 2.55 inches, runs up to 22 minutes per charge, and collects 6.5 gallons of clippings. The lightweight trimmer, under 6 valves, offers 9,200 RPM, an auto single line feed, and a pivot assist handle for ease of use. It converts into an edger with a 7-position pivoting head and a 10-inch cutting width, allowing precise trimming along edges and uneven terrain. The package includes the mower, trimmer, 2 batteries, and a charger, providing cordless freedom and efficient yard maintenance.
At number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER BEMW 472BH. The BLACK+DECKER BEMW 472BH is a lightweight 15-inch corded electric lawnmower powered by a 10-amp motor, ideal for lawns up to 1/8 acre. It features a comfort grip bike handlebar design that reduces friction and enhances maneuverability, making it easy to push and turn. The mower includes a winged blade for 30% better clipping collection, a push-button start for hassle-free operation, and 6 adjustable cutting heights from 1 to 3 inches to suit various grass lengths. Rugged wheel treads provide optimal control in thick grass, and it comes with a collection bag for easy cleanup. Running on 120V, this mower is perfect for efficient gasless lawn maintenance.